We have to be finishing this cheese soon.
What cheese?
It's ripening.
It's smoked, already ripened.
It's sliced, it's open.
It won't rot nor be. It won't even join back together.
Must be from the garlic.
Cooking?
I'm trying. I hope for it to bloom, but I was already cooking the chard and I realized I hadn't seasoned anything. So I peeled the clove really rough and I had this tiny butter knife. So I pushed the flat on the head of the surface. Though maybe it was more my palm than the knife. I knew I'd just throw it all aside in the sink later. So I just chopped it half so that I really had much of the surface of the garlic as possible. And now I still can smell the garlic on my fingers.
I went past Ellie's house. Her coffee table has a mirrored surface. It's got 2 layers of glass laid flat. While she was arranging flowers, I sat on the couch and I saw some of the heads of the flowers had fallen off. So I could see the bottoms mirrored up. And I was thinking, flowers don't grow in the earth anymore. Flowers don't grow in the earth anymore. I've seen the places where flowers grow. I know where Ellie buys these flowers from. They're not wild. Flowers haven't felt wild in a very long time, not to me. In my daddy motel's rooms, they place a calendula flower in a thin white vase. And sometimes I'd go past the rooms and I'd see the calendula completely wilted. Calendula marigolds. The hardy flower, it's a hardy flower. The most beautiful flower, more beautiful than a rose. The smell is horrible.
That's the thing about... The fucked thing about you is that you... The way you see your home is that it's broken into franchises. The model motel you grew up in, it's repeating itself in space. Kind of the same. You had your room, but spent so much time cleaning others with the cleaners of the others. A daughter's discipline for daddy. So similarity has spread all over a county, a country, with different branches, an empire if you will. But the empire becomes the same. So you have your smelly little flower. And a built-in wave with places for coats, a mini fridge, a new kettle, different tea bags, a pull-out chair, a Bible since that's your family. You never expected there were so many Bibles. You have the pillow, the comforter, the bed dress, all the same. Except for the stains, worldwide even, malodorous.
Well, Norbert, I've been around the world. I've been different places. I traveled and I worked. I traveled with my girlfriends. I wallpapered a room I leased with maps.
And still nothing felt as quite as right as here?